Oh, it's a beautiful spring day here at the property. I'm all by myself today. I'm just out doing some odds and ends that I wanted to clear up before, before the snow's all gone. Because as you can see, got the land running. Can't really run anything else out here. We need the fanners. The fanners work great in this kind of weather. Liquid cooled machines. They don't go very far when it's this mild out, and you know they're not getting the snow on the coolers. So if you see that big pine stump behind me, that right there, I'm going to slab that up, and I'm going to take a whole bunch of that out, pick up some other slabs on the way back, and I've got some customers that want those for little coffee table kinds of things. So we're going to take them out. I'm going to slab some, go down nice and low, take a bunch out, and I'll probably have to get the loader. Not sure how the Elan will do pulling that out. And as we get down on that stump, you can see it gets a lot wider. But that's okay, because I've got that. Got my Husky 390 XP with a 37-inch bar on it. I got myself some wedges, some bar oil. We're going to get to some cutting. I don't want this stump to go to waste. This tree had a big split on it. I talked about it earlier, and it wasn't going to last too much longer. I'll count those rings when I'm done. We'll see how old this was. $101 old. Fairly new chain. Needs some tightening. Nice. Mighty saw. That's heavy. That's gonna be pretty cool. I can't really move it. I'm gonna get the loader, come back down and pick these up, because that's a lot heavier than I expected. That's probably a 3-man job. It's not dry yet. This stump, pretty big. And some pretty cool character came out here in the bottom, so it's gonna look good. there are a couple of slabs, and then there's this. Look at that. It's beautiful. My bar is 37 inches, so it's about 37 to there is where I cut. And then, where's my finger? There, about 37 to there. So it's over 40 inches. Isn't that a sweetie? Somebody's gonna like that. Yeah, let's get the loader. Nice. I've got a couple more to go get. Went to go get the loader and blew a hydraulic line. So there she stays until I get them fixed. Not too bad. 1972 case 450. She's a great machine in the bush. Done a lot of work. Worked really hard this winter making roads. We'll take a tour there a little later on. So we're not going to get to see the rest of the slabbing of the stumps. But here, check this out. That's what my yard looks like right now. A little bit of water in there. We got a big rainstorm yesterday. That's what's happening. Kind of made everything wet. Everything was drying out. There's the enticer. We'll talk about that a little bit later on. Runs great. Have to make a little change, so she sort of had to stay right there. Got the old dumper truck. Just did a little bit of milling. There's my road. A little bit of water down there. Got to get the loader fixed. Go down and fix that up. We do have some races coming up. Last kick of the cat, if you will, for the season. Thankfully, it's going to happen. Hopefully, if we don't get too much more rain. We're going to be out there with the beasts. We're going to be out there with the Rev. You can see it up behind me. The IQR 860, the IQR 800, the RMK Turbo Monster, and not sure what else yet. We're going to try to get some other things going, but you know, it is what it is. Really bad season in a whole bunch of different ways, but you know what? Can't do much about it. That's the weather. And we'll be working up here a lot this summer. Not sure what's happening yet with Terracross and other off-road events, but you know what? We have a lot to do up here. We're gonna maybe buy a couple four-wheelers, have some fun. There's a big muddy swamp back there that we might play in this year. So we have the cool things going on out here at the compound, or the Power Mods property, the battleground, if you will. And that's about it. Buying a skidder. I have a skidder coming in, hopefully in the next month or two. Gonna do some work here in this property. Sort of has to pay for itself a little bit. And I'll be building a big giant new studio right over there. Projects, projects, projects. Yep, that's the way she goes.